Hi, it's me, Rasheed, coach, speaker, and author, and I just wanted to stop by to deliver to you personally my festive best wishes, season's greetings to you. I just want to say a big thank you to you. Sorry that I can't send you a card personally. I thought this is far better sustainably for the environment and so on that I deliver this video message. I wanted to say a big thank you to you, to all my clients, to all my contacts, everybody I know, friends, family. I want to say a big thank you to everyone who's attended my Soul Trader and Networking for Success workshops. I want to say a big thank you to all the organisations that I work in proud partnership with. The British Library's Business and IP Centre that I deliver those workshops for. I want to say a big thank you to the team, the National Day for Staff Networks, proud to be one of your team. I want to say a big thank you to the Coaching Academy team. It's a delight to be one of your trainers. For the Centre for Population Health, for Interchange and People Development, for Wondrous. I want to say a big thank you to everybody, all of those people, all those budding and emerging leaders and people in the career space who have attended all my leadership development workshops and masterclasses, including throughout the NHS, for a number of trusts and for the NHS England. I want to say a big thank you specifically to the people at Barts Health, Guy's and St Thomas's. There's a number of NHS trusted people who've been, for example, on my programme for South East Coast Ambulance Service. I want to say a big thank you to the people in the civil service who've attended my leadership masterclasses and so on, including the people at, for the Department for Environment and Rural Affairs. I want to thank the people who've been on my leadership programme also for the Financial Reporting Council, and all the masterclasses and workshops I've worked for everybody else and delivered. So apologies also if I've forgotten. There's just been so many, and I'm so deeply grateful. I just want to say a couple of things. Please do take time, actually 3 things, to do these 3 things, to take that time to rest. Well, actually, first of all, to review and reflect on all of your incredible achievements this year, everything you're proud of, all the things that you've seen and been through. I want to say also make sure that you time to rejoice, whatever that means to you, whether it's a time of a spiritual time, a time of socializing, friends, family, being really grateful first and foremost for the gift of life. And finally, to take time to rest, recover, recoup, rejuvenate, so that you're re-energized for the year to come. So I just want to say again, big thank you to everyone and to you specifically. And if I've forgotten you, to name you personally, then my apologies. I am just so grateful, and I'm grateful to everybody who follows me on social media via LinkedIn, via X, via Instagram, and all the people who I've never met who watched videos like this and who've taken some inspiration from it, or the people who've read the books and so on. I am so deeply grateful. And the people who listen to the Soul Leader podcast and the Soul Trader podcast, and all the people who have been guests of mine on all of those things. I am deeply grateful. For me, this has been my 20th year as a coach, and every single day has been a real blessing and a privilege to work with so many of you. So I just want to send lots of my wishes of love, peace, goodwill, compassion and kindness to absolutely everybody out there. Thank you so much. Please do take that time to review, to rejoice and to rest. And I'll see you in 2025. I really want to be the first, perhaps, to wish you a really happy new year. Take good care. Bye-bye.